So, okay, guys, in ratio and proportion, this is our new question, and let me see what this question asking to us. Okay, vessel A contains mixture of milk and water in a ratio 4:5 and 5:1 respectively. Okay, in what ratio should entity of mixture be taken from A and B to form a mixture in which milk to water in a ratio 5:4? Okay. So this question is of ratio proportion, but this question be solved with the method of in mixture and alligation. Okay, because whenever the any question comes in where the two things are mixing, okay, two things are mixing, and they are asking about the something as after mixing. Okay, and with in malab, let me you can see in this question that can be are mixing, and they are asking the ratio if they are mixing, and then they need the mixture in this ratio. Okay, so the condition is I think you understand, na? Okay, so for this question what we do, we use this method. Okay, so I will explain you everything. Okay, so they are want from this mixture they mix, and the new mixture should be this type. Okay, so first you write both the mixtures, the mixtures. Okay, so this is our both mixtures. Now add things. Okay, so we take one thing from make this mixture from this mixture, same thing, and then we somehow we output is of our that mixture is this 5 unit. Then the answer is we can get, because the second mixture automatically are in a same proportion. Okay, yeah. So suppose the total mixture is how much? Total mixture is of 9 unit. Okay, 5 plus 4. In which from the 9 unit, we need to mix only this much. Okay, we need to mix only this much. Similarly, in this, the total mixture is of 6 unit, and we need to mix only 5 unit because one part only. Yeah. Okay. Now, what in the mixture which we have to we take it the mixture. Okay, so that is the ratio is this. Okay, now we have to mix these two in a way so that the new mixture would be the capacity of the first item is this much. Okay, this much. Okay, okay, no problem. So how we can do this? So see here, and previous question we already had done this type of question. Then also try to see here. Okay. So first mixture is how much? 4/9. Okay. Second mixture is how much? 5/6. And we have to both mix in a way that the new mixture that they formed, the new mixture that we formed in a ratio, it is a quantity is how much? 5:9. Okay. Always the one thing which we have to be aware of is that this the middle term always be the greater than this term and lesser than this term, always. Okay, then only we can do this question. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so what could be, so after subtracting this from this, what is left? I think 1/9. Okay, yeah. And here you do the same thing from sorry, here not the 1/9, we have to subtract this from this 5/9 from 5/6. So how it is, so let me see, 5/9 minus 5/6. Okay, so LCM is 18, I think. LCM is 18, so it's a newest 10 minus I think how much, 15. Yeah, 15, so 3. So it's I had done something wrong. Yeah, which is it is not a here is 6. We have to minus 5/6 from we have to minus 5/9 from 5/6. Yeah, so then here is 15. Yeah, and here is 10. Okay, so our answer is 5/18. Yeah, So right here what 5 by 18. Okay, same thing we have to do here also. From 5 by 9, no, 4 by 4 by 9 is subtracted, so it is 1 by 9. Okay, now take the LCM of it. Okay, now we have to make it in a same ratio that so that we can calculate something. Okay, so this 9, yeah, the 2 is only left it. Okay, yeah, this 2 is only left it, so that this 18 transfer to this side. So after when you transfer this 18 this side, so here is what is remaining, nothing. And here what is remaining, here what is come 8. Okay, so when you divide 18 by 9, so it's an okay, yeah, so this is our new ratio. Okay, this is our new ratio. Okay, and um, I think we had done something wrong. No, we not done anything wrong. Yeah, so if you mix 5, the 2 is the answer. That the first mixture you have to make in 5 unit, and second mixture you have to mix in a 2 unit ratio. Okay, what it mean, I will try to explain you that also. So if you test if you want to test these things, okay, is this ratio is correct or not, let me try to test it. Okay? How we can test it? This is okay, well, for our first mixture ratio, and this is our second mixture ratio. Now first you have to make these both quantities are different. Okay, you can see that the first quantity sum is 9, and in the second quantity the sum of total unit is how much, 6. Okay, so first you have to make them equal. So what you can do, you can multiply it by 2 here, and you can multiply it by 3 here. Okay, then they are equal now, because this is also 18, this is also 18. The same thing you have to do here also, multiply 2 with here, and multiply 2 with, sorry, here, and same thing here also, multiplied 3 with here, and multiplied 3 with here. First you have to do this thing, so the answer would be, here I will write 8, yeah, 8, and here when you multiplied it, so it is a 10. Yeah, the same thing you have to do here, so that is a 15, and the same thing here you have to do, what is a 3. Okay, now they are same. When now you have to see the thing is what, now now you have to mix them in a this way. Okay, now they are equal, so I had removed this. Okay, the quantity is equal. Now we have to mix in a 5:2, so that we can get this ratio of the mixture. Okay, so multiplied by 5. Okay, when you multiply here by 5, okay, because now we have to multiply 5 in a whole equation, then only we can get in a 5 ratio. Yeah, and here same way we have to multiply with 2. Turururu, turururu, tururu, tururu, turururu. So what could be the new? So after multiplying by 5, so 8 fives are 40. Similarly here 50. Similarly here 30. Similarly here 3 into 2 is how much? 6. Okay, so now we have to add these. We have to add this, so 50 plus this is how much, 70, I think. Yeah, the ratio it is how much, 56. Yeah, so any if you go to what if you go to for what if you go to for if you go to for what in a 14, if you divide both the number with 14, you can see that the 14 fives are 70. Yeah, so 5, and the same way the 14 fours are 56, so 4. Yeah, and you can see that our answer is matched. Okay, so this is the explanation. Thank you.